students. So in this video I will explain you about exponents. Okay, so there are different contents which we will see during studying exponents. So first is exponent or index notation. So as far as we know, exponent is also known by power. Okay, it is also known by and power as well as exponent. Both can be, we can say it is known by these two names. Okay, so exponent or index notation. Second, we will see the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Third, exponent or index laws through by which we can do different sums with the help of exponent or index laws. Okay, so you can say it is exponent as well as index laws, so both are same. Then zero and negative exponent. So what are zero and negative exponent, we will see. And then standard form. Okay, so it's very easy chapter, you can easily grab it. Okay, so the use of exponent, also called power or indices, that allows us to write products of factors and also to write large or very small numbers quickly. When we will do different sums, so you can see it very easily that different means large number can be written in the form of index or exponent. So word by word we will see what this definition says. The use of exponent. Use of exponent means by using different laws of exponent. It is also known as power or indices. So you can say it is exponent or power or indices, everything is same. Okay, allows us to write product of factors. So product means, suppose if we take this sum, in this 2 into 2 into 2, so 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So instead of writing 2 3 times, we can easily write 2 raised to the power 3. Okay, answer of, now we are seeing what will be the difference between answers, whether it is different. So see, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 is 8, yes, and 2 raised to the power 3 means 2 multiplied by 3, in this case it is also 8. So instead of writing 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, we can easily write 2 raised to the power 3. Okay, so again I am come to definition. The use of exponent, also called powers or indices, allows us to write products of factors and also to write large or very small numbers quickly. Okay, so here we are seeing that 2 raised to the power 3. So what is 2 raised to the power 3, or any other number can also be write in this form. So yes, any number can be, we can write in base as well as index form. So 2 raised to the power 3 is also known as 2 cubed. We can say 2 raised to the power 3 as well as we can say 2 cubed. Okay, or we can say 2 to the power 3. Everything is same. Whichever is easy to you can use it. In this, 2 is base and 3 is known as the power. Okay, so exponent power, we can say exponent power or index also. 3 is known as the, and 2 is known as the base. Instead of 2, if n is a positive integer, n is a positive integer, then a raised to the power n is the product of n factors of a. Or instead of this, a raised to the power n means a will be multiplied by n times. Okay, so a into a we can say, because there are n factors. So a raised to the power n, in a raised to the power n, a is base and n is the power or index or exponent power. Okay, now see here, next find the integer equal to 3 raised to the power 4. Okay, so first I will explain you in exponent different type of questions can come. First, which type of question can come on initial stage. Okay, they can ask you a raised to the power n. A and n can come in the can come in the form of digits. Okay, so they will ask you a raised to the power n and write its base and power. This is your first question. Second, they can ask you a like this and write it in the form of base and power. So you can write how many times a will come, so that base will be a and frequency of a will be regarding as a power. Okay, so these type of question can come, and you have to write in third way. You have to write, suppose if they will ask like this, 3 raised to the power 4. So 3 raised to the power 4, first you will write in the form of product and then write in the form of its final result. Okay, so see here, if they will ask you find the integer equal to 3 raised to the power 4, what we will write, what we will say it as 3 raised to the power 4. Okay, 3 is base and 4 is the power. So as we know, since it is 3 raised to the power 4 means 3 will come 4 times. So 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So now it is coming 4 times, and then now multiply it, so it will become 81. Next, find value of 2 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 7. So as we know, since here 2 is how many times it comes? It is coming 4 times. Okay, so we will write 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Then here we are seeing 3 raised to the power 2. So 3 multiplied by 3, then 7 alone. Okay, and we will do multiplication of every digit, that it will give you final result. So 2 multiplied by 4 times, it is 16. 3 into 3 is 9 and 7. 16 nines are 144. 144 into 7 is 1008. So final answer of it is 1008. Okay, so since why we are giving answer in this form, because they are saying find value of. Okay, and here one thing which is important, that there are no base is common. Okay, if I will ask you that what is the base of these all three, so 2 raised to the power 4 base is 2, in 3 raised to the power 2 base is 3, and in 7 raised to the power 1 is base 7. If nothing no power is there means 1. Okay, always remember it is 1, so base is 7. Clear? So here you can see easily that no base is same in this product. Okay, now we are seeing, if we will multiply minus any digit 1 times, minus means digit which is having minus sign, and it is multiplied by 1 time, then we get minus itself. If any digit, we here just for simplicity we are taking here 1, so minus 1, when minus 1 multiplied by 2 times, so we get minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Minus 1 will be multiplied by 3 times, then we get minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Okay, minus minus plus, it is minus minus plus, and again plus into minus is minus, so final answer will be minus 1. If minus 1 will be multiplied by 4 times, then we get minus 1, So how we will do? We will write minus 1 in the form of product 4 times. So we get 1. Okay. Similarly, we can do other numbers or digits also. So this pattern means sometimes we are getting minus 1 and sometimes we are getting plus 1. So this pattern, what it shows and what we can conclude from it, that a negative base raised to an odd power is negative. Negative base means here you can see easily that all bases are negative, means minus 1 we can consider as a negative base. Okay, because 1 is positive and in front of that there is one negative sign, so it will be considered as minus 1. So minus 1 we are considering, we will say that its base is minus. So negative base raised to an odd power. Odd power means when power will come in the form of 1, 3, 5, 7 like this. Okay. So whenever it will come 1, so we get minus 1. Whenever it will come 3, so we get minus 1. So in general rule, we can say that a negative base raised to an odd power is negative. And when it will come in the form of even means if it will come in the form of 2, 4, 6, 8, so we get positive number. See here, I am doing with purple. So minus 1 raised to the power 2 is we are getting plus 1. Minus 1 raised to the power 4, we are getting plus 1. So just remember one thing, whenever negative base multiplied by odd power multiplied by in the form of odd power, we get minus. And whenever negative base multiplied in the form of even power is positive. Okay. So just we are doing summarize of this, that any number can come in the form of base as well as power. Okay. And why we are using exponent? Why we are using? So through exponent, our large number, we can write our large number in the form of base as well as its power. So it will become easy to write. Okay. And after this, when we will see different type of laws, so that time we can see there are same type of bases. Okay. And in same type of bases we can use different laws also. So here we are seeing that how we can find the value of any integer which will come in the form of base and power, or we have seen different pattern also in which our base is negative and it has come in form of odd number of powers as well as even number of powers. Okay. Thank you.